Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the SanDisk Dual Drive Go USB Type-C. So we have USB Type-C on one side and we have USB-A on the other. So these are a thumb drive. They've got 256 gigabytes of storage, and I can plug this into either a Samsung phone or an iPhone 15 because it's got USB-C. Then I can plug this into a PC. So I can share the information, plug it into the phone, put the information onto this hard drive inside here, then plug this into a PC and then transfer the information or go the other way. Very, very nice. I can put a little lanyard here. This is the green color. And then here's the black. Just rotate it. That way you can kind of stick it in or have it sideways. That's fine too. These are really nice. Now they are not very big at all. Overall, you're looking at 1 3/4 inches. By about a 1/2 inch and by about a 1/4 inch thick. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.